I had to break out my stainless steel pan to make my, well, they're called Carnivore pancakes, but they're a new kind of pancake I'm going to try that has stuff in it to help your hair and nails grow too, and it also doesn't have carbs and sugar, so we'll see how they turn out. Well, I did make some goat sausage patties. I'm going to be cooking those up. Part of them we're going to set aside, but there's more of our carnivore breakfast. I don't know if we'll do it long term, but I thought I'd try it today and see how we do. But I gotta have some sausage with breakfast. If I'm not gonna have sweet stuff, gotta at least have sausage. Normally when I put the seasoning in the sausage to make these patties, I put a couple tablespoons of syrup in, and I skipped that this morning because we're not supposed to have sugar today. So I'm sure they'll be just as good with no syrup in. So I made 12 sausages from my pound. So I'm gonna put 6 of them away, and we each will have 3 for breakfast. So I'm gonna put these in the oven so I have it on warm, so they'll stay warm while I'm working on the pancakes, and I'll put the others in the fridge for tomorrow's breakfast. We need 6 egg yolks and 6 egg whites separated, and for this recipe. So I wanted to show you how I separate my yolks and whites. I know there's equipment to do this with. They have a little egg white separator, but this is the way I was taught, and I've always done it this way, and it works really well. You just crack the egg and you put it from one side to the other, and the yolk comes out. Easy peasy. So we have the 6 egg whites in the big bowl, because we're going to fluff those up in a bit. And we have the 6 egg yolks in another bowl. I did break a few of them, but as I was putting them in there, but as long as they're in the bowl, that's all that's important, right? So I'm whipping up the egg, and you're supposed to gradually put in the gelatin. There's 2 tablespoons of gelatin, but you add that to it as you're beating it. Okay, so I've gradually added all that gelatin, and I am making enough for 2 people to make 6 pancakes. But now we're gonna whip this up really good. This is egg white, 6 egg whites, and 2 tablespoons of gelatin. We're going to be working with the egg yolks now. And we need 5 tablespoons of collagen powder. So we'll beat that up with the 6 eggs. If you're doing a half of what I am, the 3 eggs, of course you'd only need 2.5 tablespoons. But we're doing 6 eggs, so we're gonna mix up 5 tablespoons of collagen with it. Okay, so we have that a nice thick, smooth paste, and we're going to gradually start stirring the egg yolks into this mixture. And I did use the wrong term. It wasn't stirring. I was folding the egg white mixture in with the egg yolk mixture. And it's okay if you have a little bit of whites, that you can see it doesn't have to be thoroughly mixed. So there's my batter. So now let's get working on the pan. It should be preheated now. See how the water all bounces around in the pan? That means it's preheated. And now you can put it on a lower heat and put the oil, whatever you're going to do, the beef tallow or butter or whatever, you put that in and start cooking your pancakes. So I didn't have lard, I had to use butter, so that made it a little brown on the pan. But I did my 3 pancakes, and I used a 1/4 cup to scoop them in there. Kind of pushed it around to make them shaped like a pancake, and now I'm going to put this on it, and we're going to wait for 8 minutes. There they are. So we're going to turn them over. Hey, they look like pancakes. All right, we're going to leave them like this for 5 minutes now. I can't move that one. I flipped it a little crooked. We're going to leave them for 5 minutes more. And this is on low heat, by the way. Okay, we're going to put those in the oven to keep warm. I'm just putting my next batch in. And there's still a lot more, so we're going to get more than 6 pancakes. They are nice and soft. So we're going to go 8 minutes again, and we'll see how many we end up with. Well, there's my carnivore pancakes. No carbs, no sugar, and it actually made 11 of them, and they actually look really good. So I made them a little smaller, I think, than what they said to do, but we'll see how they taste with a fried egg on the top. So there's our carnivore breakfast. Got carnivore pancakes, eggs, and goat sausage. So thanks for watching my video. And we're gonna go eat breakfast now. So I'm getting ready to make breakfast this morning with the leftover sausage and some more fried eggs. And I just wanted to let you know that those carnivore pancakes did turn out good. I think next time, if we're going to be sugar-free, not using syrup, I think I'm going to melt some butter to put over them, because I think that would have made them taste a little bit better. But they were good. I definitely eat those. So have a great day, and I'll talk with you next time.